Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a Google form. Google form, this is very helpful for online surveys, online exams. So how we can create a Google form, let's go quick into it. So in the Windows search bar, type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now maximize the Chrome window. And here you'll find this Google Apps next to your profile. So click on Google Apps and you'll find all the Google Apps from here. Scroll down and you will find this one, the Google Forms. Click on that, the purple icon. And here you have just opened the Google Forms. So you have a lot of templates from here. You have the blank quiz, the contact info, the RSVP, party invite templates. There are also a lot if you're just going to click on this. You have for the personal, you have for work, for education. Now we're going to use this blank form. Click on that. So here you can simply create, let's say for example, we're going to create an exam. So let's type here, English exam. Now let's delete this. Then form description, periodical exam. You can also make it bold or italicize or underline. Now here we are going to create a question. So name. Let's start with a name first. Then click on this drop down arrow and you have to choose the kind of response. So if you're going to write a name, it should be a short answer. So click on short answer. Then it should be required. So it's up to you if this is required for you. If it is required, then the respondents cannot move on to the next numbers or next questions without answering the very first question, like the name, or without answering or typing their name. Now once done, click on this plus sign symbol, add question. Here we need to put the email. Click on this drop down arrow to choose the kind of response. It should be short answer. It should also be required. Then click on the plus sign symbol again, and this time we're going to create a question. Now let me just quickly edit it. It should be email. So here we need to type a question. Let's say for example, what is a noun? It should be a multiple choice. Choose your response. Option 1, action word. Click on add option, this one. For option 2, describing word. Then add option, click on that. Option 3. Now here's a reminder that if you're going to create multiple choice questions, in your multiple choice, in your set of options, there should be a distractor. So it should just not be 3. It could be 4 or 5, like that. There should be a distractor. Now here we need to type a name of a person. And for the last option, it could be now once done, if you are going to create more questions, you just need to simply click on this add question and just do the same process as what we have done from here. So here's how it looks like. Now, if we're going to publish it, you can simply click on publish. You can also share this. You just need to copy your responder link. The form isn't published yet, so we cannot do this yet. So click on this share. If you want to share this, so you just need to simply the people groups and from here and then click on done. But we need to publish it, so click on publish. Click on publish button, and that's it. So that's how you can easily create a Google form on your Windows. So I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.